Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Flex 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV via Bluetooth. This is the LG TV that has WebOS. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and put these earbuds in a pairing mode. Let me go ahead and open these up. Now you'll know that these are in pairing mode if you put it in your ear and you hear pairing, or if both of these start blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, now these are actually blinking blue, so these are in pairing mode. Now if you're not in pairing mode, you may be connected to a different device or something else is going on, but you can manually put this in a pairing mode. What you do is put both of the buds into your ear and just use one of them, the touchpad, just tap and then tap and hold, and just keep holding it for like 5 seconds, and then you'll hear pairing, and then both of these will start blinking blue. Anyway, we're currently in pairing mode, so let's go ahead and connect this to the TV. Go to the TV and go to your settings. You can click on the settings button, the gear button on your remote if you have that. If not, go to the home page here. Just click on the home button on the remote. Go to the home page and you can navigate to the setting, that gear icon, the top left hand corner right there. So let me select that. And then I'm going to select the settings gear icon again. It's already highlighted. Now this TV is a little bit slow. It's moving though. And now from here, I'm going to go down one to sound. We're going to select that. And now we're going to go down to sound out. And you can see it's TV, it says TV speaker. The audio is coming out of TV speaker, but we wanted to come out of these. So we're going to select sound out. We're going to go down to use wireless speaker. We're going to select a Bluetooth device. And now you see that little spinny thing down there? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me within 30 feet, 35 feet, which is Bluetooth range. So it's still in the pairing mode, and it already found them right there, the Flex 2 right there. So let's go ahead and it's already highlighted. Let's select it. And voila, you can see that we're connected and ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.